Hello guys, again welcome back to our YouTube channel Cool Gadgets. Hope you all are well, and today's video is gonna topic of top 5 new gadgets of the kitchen. So if you're new to my channel or a kitchen lover, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. So let's move to the video. So guys, on number 1 there is Revolution Cooking Smart Toaster. Those of us who care about the perfect morning toast can attest that the getting it right is no easy feat. The revolutionary cooking smart toaster is meant to take difficulty out of the equation and keep your bread perfect every single time. Revolution even claimed that its toaster is faster than the competition while retaining more moisture. Using a touch interface, you can select the type of bread you are toasting, but its current status and how brown you want it, and it's that simple. You are paying a lot for the privilege, and but it's if its toast is something you eat on a daily basis, it might be worth it. On number 2 there is Kosori Air Fryer. The Kosori Air Fryer is a fantastic smart kitchen if you enjoy fried foods but you want to make them healthier, since air frying using little to no oil. There are over 100 pre-programmed recipes in Kosori's Wet Science app, and new recipes are being added all the time. So guys, on number 3 there is Amber Smart Mug 2. Hectic morning only get worse when you realize that the consumption cup of coffee has gone cold. After an hour passed by that felt like a second. That's where the Amber Cup Smart Mug 2 comes into play. With the cup wake from the sleep, liquid is poured into it and ensure the liquid stay at a preferred temperature, and the cup has an 80 minutes battery life and can hold 14 fluid ounces over 400. So guys, on number 4 there is Instant Pot. The Instant Pot is a hit in the smart kitchen world for a reason that it combines 8 appliances in one. You can use it as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker and cake maker, and salt pan, steamer or a warmer. The sky is the limit, especially within 1000 plus pre-programmed recipes in the Instant Pot app. If you have an Alexa speaker, you can use voice command too. The product 6 quart 5.7 liter capacity makes for suitable for large family dinner or weekly meal preparation. Plus the stainless steel inner pot is dishwasher safe. So guys, on number 5 there is Hamilton Beach Smart Coffee Maker. Hamilton Beach offer a 12 cup capacity and Alexa integration, the latter enabling app control voice commands with an Alexa speaker and automatic routine. There's other options like different brewing strength, but arguable the best feature is that it's pretty affordable compared to the most smart coffee makers.